And welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Benjamin West and I was born in Invercargil, New Zealand, and I'm very proud to come from Invercargil, New Zealand. And this is my natural accent. Now I'm going to start reading the following sentences, starting with a little bit of a tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like going walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love some coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to some of these cities. London, Paris, New York, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Laos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to the accent.Coach.com. Now I have a second page to read from. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now for the alphabet. A is for apple, B is for bananas, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P for pepper, Q for queen, R for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for X-ray, Y is for yellow, and Z is for zebra. Now, I myself don't have a personal business of my own at the moment. I am currently studying to be a professional astrologer. And with astrology, I'm wanting to use the concept of constructing natal charts in conjunction with creating characters for scripts, either for theatre or for like television, film, anything in relation to acting. I can't thank Sarah enough for giving me this opportunity to get my accent out there. Proud Southlander, and I hope you guys enjoyed.